Oi, come on.
Oi, my guy. I got one there. It's good, man.
I'm going to shoot it in 4K as well. What are you saying?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Fancy pants.
Yeah.
They're really good.
See what it's like.
What are you doing? Just admire my nice engine clean.
Yeah, just having a look at it, you know.
Nice clean engine bay. Cable ties upon cable ties.
I ain't done an intro for the video yet.
Have you not?
No, see.
Hello. Have a good day.
Alright, sweet, that's it. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're heading to like Box Hill in like Dorking, Surrey way. To another little calf there again. So yeah, enjoy the video I guess. Look at I'm wearing a headband. Because last time I was just holding the camera in my mouth. But we'll see what goes on this time, you know. Could be good, could be shit. I'm currently... Hello? Okay guys, we've had a little bit of a change of a plan. We're going to like this drive-by photo thing in like Horsham, I think, now instead, which might be a bit better. Whoa, that's bumpy. Like, we're going to this photo thing, right? But my car, as you can see, is filthy at the moment. Joe's is a lot cleaner than mine, which is weird because usually it's always mine that is cleaner than his. Oh yeah, I want to thank everyone that's ordered one of these so far. I've actually sold out, so I need to get some more of these. But yeah, thanks everyone so far. Obviously there's t-shirts in the store as well. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Aha, pesky road cyclists. Yeah, I'll leave a link for that in the description. And go check it out. They're pretty cool. I did the design on the back myself, and it's what's in my engine bay. So go have a look at that. But yeah, let's carry on with the driving. Yeah. Oh man, I can't see shit. Your car looks shit without a skirt on it.
What?
Your car looks shit without a skirt on it. Oh, this bad boy is shooting
look at this.
in 4K right now.
Look at this, mate. Where's the end of my battery gone? It's disappeared.
Mate, is that melted into the thing?
Yeah.
Oh. What does that smell like then? Good.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, that's better.
Perfect. Like, got McDonald's and like no one's here, apart from some of the people filming it. So you know.
And a woman with a polo smashed into.
And a woman who smashed into a polo. I don't think we're going to be able to see that with this though. I can't zoom in on this though, so I hope that's going to be good enough. Mate. Alright, so we left McDonald's. I spilled barbecue sauce down the front of my jumper, so that's fun. We're going somewhere else now. I don't know where. Oh, hold on. There we are. Oh, no, and again. Oh, there. I don't know where we're going. I'm just following Joe. Mate, that kid just did a tail whip on a scooter. So yeah.
Uçuyor yıldızlara müptezel bayan.
Harmanım, baba nerede çarşafım? Gördüğüm bu paketler benim dermanım. Hoppa yavaşça açıldı fermanım. Sakın kaçma buraya gel la kezbanım. Adana çocuğu aga şehrimin delisi. Olay büyük kardeş mevzu kendisi. Plaka 01 korkumuz dinle. Yazmak için yine yuttun bence. Hey torbacı bana versene borç. Olmaz lan valla malları peşin satıyoruz. Bu yüzden babamın cüzdanını çalıyoruz. Akşam olunca dayak yemeye başlıyoruz. Yazıyoruz evet sizleri. Ders matematik baba kafam trilyon. Bana soru sormayın ben hiç bilmiyorum. Ben nerede olduğumu bir an şaşırıyorum. Hocam diyor evladım gelsen kaşınıyorsun.
Yeah, boy. Well, you got to say bye to the fans. Probably can't hear you, but right, bye.